So I just cut my hair and this is the outcome after I have styled it. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. It's decent and I'm not really going to be going out anywhere anytime soon. I just figured I could get rid of a lot of length. So if you guys want to see how I got to this little lioness's mane or something, keep watching, and please don't try this at home because this was really, really bad. Go check out Brad Mondo because he's what gave me the confidence. I guess this is what happens when you're constantly watching YouTubes. So yeah, hope you guys like this, and again, please don't try this at home. But yeah, keep watching. First, he said right down the middle. So he tells us to section off in 4 sections or more. So when you section it, you go right down the middle, and then you get the apex of your head, the very top of your head, and from there go down behind your ears, and that's the front section. And then that just clip the back side, and then do it for the other side too. So that's what I've done. Then you're gonna need some elastic bands, like little elastic bands. Pull it out to where past your, what's that called? This side. Then do it again, do it again. Oh, they're about a good, yeah, that's probably good. Okay, now with the back, you're gonna do more or less the same thing, but you want to make sure that it goes down, that you're not pulling it to the side over here, just straight down. And this will give us, hopefully, a straighter cut at the bottom. Currently mine, and I cut my hair before, yes I did, is more of a V shape, and he said that's pretty dated. Did not know that, but now I know. And hopefully I'm going to get a better, straighter cut. But my hair is really long, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Ooh, did I not catch that? Did all that come out? Oh, I guess that's layers I tried to do with my hair before. Then you get this. And you point cut down. So I'm just gonna, yeah, yep. So I will cut, and then this, okay. It's so okay, whatever. Which, I'm kind of glad I'm doing this, even if it turns out fugly, because I have so much dead hair. Pretty sure one looks longer than the other, but it's all about tilting your head a certain way. This is horrible. Okay. So obviously there are certain hairs that are coming out. So we'll just focus at the very end because I made a lot of layers for myself when I cut my hair last. So I'm just gonna get rid of this amount. And again, I am no professional. Obviously, it will suffice. This feels like it was a lot more than the other one, but whatever. So just keep cutting, cut, 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 cut. This one seems hella longer than the other one. What the heck? Or maybe, you know, my haircut last time was just that bad. This is tiring, guys. Careful not to go ham on like using the shears as if you're some pro, because I'm not and you're not. So let's be real with ourselves. That looks more or less the same length, right? And then I guess we'll just take it out and see how it goes. Oh, I've had framing layers that I tried to do on myself before. And this one is really just so that I could get rid of the kind of, what's that called that I had? Well, that seems very different. I'm pretty sure this was not as long as the other. Maybe if I cut right a little bit here. Oh, I'm so confused now. Okay, maybe if I just, this is gonna be the funniest crap ever. He says it helps. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut. Should I just cut? I'm just gonna cut. Cause at least it'll all be the same length right here. And that'll look nice and fresh, I hope. How did I do this last time? I think last time, like they said, to do one tie. I'm about to be bald after this. You know what? Hair grows back, y'all. Or is this what gave me the V kind of thing that I'm not trying to achieve right now? I don't even know, but I'm tired and I'm sweating. I don't know. Just do it, I guess. It's just so thick. It's like I have to go through a tiny bit, so I can't point at that. It's way too thick. I'm getting nervous with you staring at me. The tutorials I've seen with the way I did it last time, which is kind of what I'm doing now, like they always end up just cutting. They're like, and then right here, just cut it. And I'm like, woman, I do not have hair that texture. So like just cutting thick hair is not gonna work. You really have to take your time, not expect it to just come out the way that people with thinner hairs come out. But if you get to a point where it's all kind of even, that's when you could start kind of doing your point cutting, I think. So that you could make sure it's not like a blunt cut. Well, maybe I could let go of it. See, all these like trial and error situations I'm putting myself in. I mean, sure, why not? So I'll take that point. Maybe I should let you see what I'm doing. When you grab the hair, you grab it firmly. Pretty sure I'm butchering my hair right now, but whatever. Okay. Not entirely sure if that looks okay, considering my hair is a wavy, but does it at least feel okay? So that gave me like, I don't know what it gave me, but at least this is the right length, right? I hope you enjoyed watching me teach you how not to cut your hair. If you want to learn how to cut your hair the proper way, go ahead and follow. If he ever sees this video, he's gonna be like, Biznitch, why did you even tag me on this? Why did you even mention my name? But his name is Brad Mondo and he's adorable. He really knows what he's doing with hair. I really do not. What's funny is that what I ended up doing was something I didn't even learn from him. I learned from another YouTube video or several YouTube videos where a lot of girls do that. But this is it more or less. Yeah, I hope you guys got a kick out of watching me butcher my hair. Let me know if there's anything else you'd want me to try out to do. And hopefully we could all get out of lockdown, quarantine, whatever you're under right now that's prohibiting you from going to the salon. Hopefully we could get to our hairstylists so they could make our hair look beautiful and not like this. But you know what? I feel with long hair, if you got layers, it doesn't really, you could barely even tell. To an unprofessional, I'm sure all of you hairstylists out there are like, Lord girl, yes, we could tell that your hair is a hot mess. But to, you know, just random people, it's not that big of a deal. To me, it's not that big of a deal. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Catch you guys for the next video.